Hello everyone, this is Corey. I am showing you a tutorial on how to make your own Minecraft server. Alright, this is not a private one, it's one where your friends can join in and have a lot of fun in. Alright, first thing you're going to have to do is just keep it all tidy and clean. You're going to make a folder. You just right click, go to new, click on folder. Call it Minecraft server. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, so we have that now. Let's go into your browser and we're going to have to go to minecraft.net. I have it as a favorite. This will be in the description if you've not already been to it. Go down to the download right here, scroll all the way down here, and this is multiplayer beta server software. This is what you're looking for. The .exe is for Windows and PC, and mineserver.jar, that one is for Mac, and I'm obviously not showing this on Mac. So let's click on this one. I have it loading at the bottom. Alright, now put this right into that folder. Alright, so you have that now in your folder. That's the only thing in your folder for now. Now double click on your Minecraft server and run it, and this white square should come up, and it's loading your world now. It's preparing spawn areas. This is going to take a few seconds because it's the first time you're making your world. Alright, now it's done. Okay, that wasn't too long at all. Now what it just did was it created all these folders right here inside your main folder, and these help you manage your server a bit more, like who's banned from the server. This is your server, this is your world right here, called world just by default. This one that says server right here is your server properties. This is what we're going to go into next, and you should open it with Notepad. So if it doesn't automatically open by default with Notepad, find it in the other applications section and it should be there. Now once that is open, it should look exactly like this. It is pretty straightforward also, and it helps you manage your server. Alright, what we're looking for is the server IP. This server IP is your IP address. Now if you're not sure what your IP address is, go down into your start menu, put in command prompt. Mine already came up. It should be right here. It's a black square. Now what you're going to write in here is ipconfig and press enter. It's all one word. Scroll up a bit. Now you have your IPv4 address, which is the one we want for our IP. Now this one right here is usually pretty similar between that one and your default gateway. Your default gateway will be used in a bit. They're pretty similar, just missing two numbers. Alright, so you're going to put that right there. Okay, now that that's done, you press File, Save. Alright, that's good. Now we must port forward. It's a bit tough, but sometimes it can be pretty easy. Now I'm going to put this website right here in the description. This helps everybody port forward. Now in order to port forward, you need to know the password and username for the type of router you have. So mine's D-Link, somewhere under this category would mine be. This is only if you don't know your default username and password. Now I'll show you what it looks like here. You just put in your gateway right here, so it'll be minus 2 of the last numbers on your IPv4 address. So you enter that, and I know mine. I changed mine. It's no longer the default. So you just put it in there, You log in. Alright, you go under the advanced menu on the top, and then you go to the left, and there should be a port forwarding section. Now we're in advanced and port forwarding. I already made mine, so this is what it is. You need your the name. It could be anything. You need this TCP number, which will be this set number is used for every single server and of Minecraft, and you can also find it under the properties section right here. So server port 25565. 25565. So you put that under the TCP and the UDP, and then head on over to your IP address, and that is your IPv4 address that you put in your properties already. Alright, so you make sure this is clicked here to enable it, and these should stay the same, and you don't need an application name, even though it's pretty cool, like Battlefield, Call of Duty in here. I don't know, there's no Minecraft, so don't bother. Alright, we're going up. I already have mine, so I don't need to save it, but press save settings, and then you're pretty much done port forwarding by now. Alright, now the next thing we have to do is we're pretty much done. We've port forwarded, we've opened up our new tabs, put our server properties in. Now you can put in your ops and stuff, but we can always do that later. Alright, head on over into your white screen that's this one, the Minecraft server one. There should be a Java logo at the bottom that has it running. Now, if you put in help right here, it shows you all the different commands you can do. Right there it shows ban player, kick player, pardon, op, deop, all that good stuff, and your give commands, like gives you any resource you want. Now everything has its own ID number, and you can find that if you put in data values into Google. So if I just put in data values and go to Minecraft Wiki, these pictures right here have all the codes for everything in the game that you can spawn in. You can spawn those in just like that. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to find out what number your friends will have to put in to get onto your server. What you do there is you can just Google my IP. Alright, what is my IP address? Alright, what is myip.com? This will probably be in the description. Pretty easy to find it, but this is what everybody needs to get into your server. Alright, and everybody else will be using that number except for you. You will be using your IPv4 address. If anybody else is connected to your Wi-Fi or your router, then they will also be using that, your own IPv4 address. Now, they will all be using the one that I just had open, and that is pretty much it. If your server ever stops working by chance, it may be that your port number changed. This could be 03 or it could be 04, but it could have changed from your initial 01 or whatever. Alright, so if you connect and you go into your world, this is a brand new world. Look, I fucking spawned underground. What the fuck's this? Alright, we're good. I actually have a skin to my guy. Look at that, I'm a creeper knight. Pretty sick. Alright, so this is our world. Works good. And that's pretty much it. You can /give your account name, 1 for the ID for whatever, and 64, and then you'll get spawn stone and whatever. So first of all, I need to be opted to do that, so that's the only difference there. You can just opt somebody by this white screen or whatever, and then once you're opt, you can do whatever you want. So thanks everybody, that is everything.